Well, welcome to Southeast Ohio Solar Haven, and as you see, I'm in the back of my TV. This is the TV I use for my computer screen, monitor, whatever. I'll watch TV on it also, and it's a 50-inch Samsung Ultra 4K, and as you can see there, probably in the description or the thumbnail, I had a bad LED backlight, and well, let's see here. I ordered new LED backlights. So since I got the back of this thing off finally, after figuring out that this back actually is snapped on by some crazy stuff. Use some wire, it clips down inside of here, and the back's clip on. There's no screw. So once I figured that part out, all easy peasy, after sweating my butt off getting to it. I don't think I have to pull any boards out. Pretty basic TV actually. I probably will have to disconnect the ribbons right here to the panel and take the panel out and lay it down very carefully, because once you break that, you're done. So I'm gonna get this thing flipped over and get the LEDs, get to the LEDs that are burnt out, and replace the backlight strips. We'll be back in a moment. Well, I made it back in one piece. As you can see, right down in here, that's where the LED strips are. And this is what they call I guess a side lit or whatever. Yeah, there's nothing else going around the case where the screen mounts down into. So yeah, that's the way she's lit. And yeah. So yeah, I'm going to get these LED strips replaced, and I got them right here. So once I get those in there, and hopefully this thing won't be dark in the middle no more. And I'll tell you what, it's been probably in between these segments, it's been about 30 to 40 minutes to getting this thing apart. It's just absolutely crazy. But I figure, you know, pay the $40–50 for the LED strips and rather take it to a service repair place that wants $275 to do it. I mean, I can do this stuff myself, so but yeah, it's pretty crazy how they got these TVs put together sometimes. So alright, I'll be back hopefully with the finished product. Well, there it is. I got the screen back in there and everything, got the LEDs in there. So let's see what happens once I get it the rest of the way put together and clean screened up and all back together and hooked up. Well, there it is. Yes sir, I got it hooked back up. New LED backlight. This right here was the culprit. These little strips of backlight right here, they had some bad LEDs in them, and what it is right here at the bottom of the TV, they got those two LED strips lined up, and it backlights the whole thing. But anyway, I got her working. I'll get a new video out. Another one, I just thought maybe let you know what was going on in the background, why I hadn't really been doing much, because I hadn't been able to see when editing video or whatever. So yeah, she's done, she's ready. So hopefully we'll have a new video. If you liked what you seen there, you know, click down there at the bottom again. It won't hurt you. Only hurt once. Subscribe. Come on, subscribe. You know you want to. Click that bell icon too while you're at it. It only hurt once. But hey, thanks for watching, guys. And now you know what I do on my spare time too now, with fix stuff.